every time you paint something. Bugs. They seem to be attracted to it. There's a few other things I learned while putting the paint on this. One, it didn't take near as much of that paint as I thought it was going to. All these different curves and angles and everything, I just thought I was going to end up using way more paint. I put about 4 coats on it. Another thing I learned was in the first batch I mixed up, I had thinner, and I learned that I didn't want thinner. I'm glad I started with the bottom. So every coat here on the top was done without any thinner in the paint. This is the paint. I did put hardener in there, and I'm glad because I put so much paint on there it's going to take forever to dry if I didn't put hardener. And this is the cheap $30 gun that I used. In my previous video I was using the Rust-Oleum primer. In my next video I'll be using the deck rebuild kit. Also repainted the belt covers. I used a fancy stir stick and the little cheap Black & Decker. In the next video, in addition to the rebuild kit, I will be revealing this product and how it strengthens and reinforces the deck. Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto.
Do not attempt anything you see or hear in this video. Serious injury or death may occur. Saneauto and or Victor Sane cannot guarantee against improper use or unauthorized modifications of this information. Saneauto and or Victor Sane assumes no liability for property damage or injury incurred as a result of any of the information contained in this video. Use this information at your own risk. Saneauto recommends safe practices when working on vehicles and or with tools seen or implied in this video. No information contained in this video shall create any express or implied warranty or guarantee of any particular result. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of these tools, equipment, or from the information contained in this video is the sole responsibility of the user and not Saneauto or Victor Sane. In layman's terms, please don't do anything you see me do in my videos. You end up losing just like me.
This nice brand new paint job on the deck. Whoo, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Doesn't that just look great the way that turned out?